rape and murder case, and now as per forensic and DNA reports, they are indicating that it was only the main accused so far in this case who's been arrested, Sanjay Roy. He committed that crime allegedly of rape and murder. The CBI is likely to seek final opinion from AIIMS. We have our colleague Arunima on this. Arunima, earlier as well, this theory was being underlined by the Trinamool Congress that this was not a gang rape. Something of that sort is also coming to light through the reports, the DNA and forensic report that you're breaking for us. More details about this, please.
See, this has been a concern of the family. This has been a concern of colleagues of the victim that was rape or not. Evidence was awaited was the DNA report and the forensic report. These are scientific evidence which are given topmost priority during trial by the court. We are now hearing from our sources that the report seems to establish that Sanjay Roy is the criminal in this case. Whether anyone else was present with him in the crime or not, the DNA and the forensic report does not seem to indicate that. But CBI wants to rule out any kind of lacuna, any kind of loophole, and therefore they want to consult experts from AIIMS before they reach a stage where they go ahead and file a charge sheet.
So, Arunima, what happens to the report, the autopsy report, which was leaked in the media, because of which senior doctors really were summoned by the police, which said that there was a certain amount of semen that was found in the girl's body, and that was also the reason for the conjecture that this was possibly a gang rape?
Yes, absolutely. That was the reason why everybody believed that this could not be a case of one person's crime alone. But it was clarified that the interpretation by some medical professionals that 150 mg of semen has been found was incorrect. In fact, that weight was not in ml, not in milliliters. Usually when you weigh liquid, your unit is ml, but the unit that was given by the autopsy doctors was mg. So essentially what it meant was the total weight of the organ, her uterus, her own body fluid, and the weight of the foreign object, in this case the semen of a rapist. That total weight of the organ plus other liquid is 150 mg. So that in no way established that more than one person was present in this ghastly crime.
All right, Arunima, thank you so much. That's an important piece of information that we're putting out for our viewers.